To use the document camera in the Whiteboard app, you're going to need to first plug it in. Find the data and power cable and plug it into the back of either the document camera itself or the wireless adapter. Plug the other end of the data and power cable into the USB-C port located on the right-hand side of the ClearTouch board between the antennas on the PC module. From the ClearTouch board screen, double tap the desktop icon for Chorus or single tap the one in the taskbar. Once Chorus opens, tap the Whiteboard app. In Whiteboard, tap the Up menu button on the right-hand side and then tap Camera. The image from the document camera should now show on screen. You may need to adjust it. You can place the Hovercam either above your document or to the side. You may also need to use the camera's controls, such as the light switch on the top of the head or the dial to be able to rotate the image. On the front, there are 5 buttons. The ones that are most important are the autofocus lock that focuses and locks the image focused. There's the rotate button, which flips it 180 degrees from being upside down to being right side up or vice versa. Plus zoom in and zoom out. Now that the image is placed on your screen correctly, go ahead and press the circular button at the middle of that camera tool and then take the photo, then close the camera tool button with the X button. As with all other images, once the image from the camera has been placed on the screen, you can use the Whiteboard's controls below each image to adjust as you need. Use your Hovercam and Whiteboard's camera tool to add as many images to your whiteboards and presentations as you need. If you need help with this or other instructional technology, reach out to us at instructionaltechnology@cmcss.net. Join our YouTube channel at Tech Tip Tuesday, or visit us at our website, tinyurl.com/cmcssits.